Hello YouTube, your boy Bomber here, back in my garage. You've seen my floor from previous. If you enjoyed that video, well, welcome back for another one. This one's about my helmet and some of the changes I'm making, or my riding options. So normally on my Dyna StreetBob, what I do is I ride around with my bell bullet when I want to record something, and I put the GoPro on the front here. There's a couple of videos on that as well back in the day, so have a look. These days I'm riding around with the open face helmet, and what I've gone and done is I've bought one of these goggles, and that goes there, and I'll give you a look at that in a sec. So basically, before we kick off, we all know, we're all smart enough to understand that there is absolutely zero protection in a crash or an incident of its kind with these things. But that's not what I bought it for. It's more just for when I want to ride around without wearing my sunglasses, and hopefully, it stops the wind and a bit of the cold or something. But the other option I have is that when I'm riding with this one, what I can do is I have the little GoPro clip. Some of you have seen those before, the little shirt clip, and I've added just a little short piece in there, because what happens is the GoPro needs a bit of an angle to build it back. That slots in there, just like that. Yep. And what I'll do is later on, I'm going to go for a ride, and I'll show you with the GoPro sitting on there what it looks like. But I figured that's kind of a good way to record on it. So let's have a look. So here you are. This is basically what it's going to look like. It's not too bad. There's enough room inside here. What I will say is that just along there, if it's not sitting correctly and flush with the helmet, it does push down on the nose, and it can make breathing a little bit difficult. Like I said, plenty of room in there. I can fully put my hand in there. The strap goes all the way around the back. Yeah, not a problem. Vision's pretty good. It's not really pushed up against my eyes or anything, so that works. Something I'm considering doing is maybe peeling that off in there on either side and actually attaching Velcro, so gluing some Velcro to the inside. By attaching the Velcro to the inside, then what I can do is cut the straps off and then glue Velcro from there, and what it'll do is it won't permanently sit, but it'll sit attached to the front of the front of the helmet. Do you know what I mean? And then I can easily just use it that way. I mean, the benefit of having this thing is most of the time when I do have my sunglasses on, what I can do is it will fit in there as well. So I've already tried it. I can tuck it away inside that pouch, or little carry bag, and that works. So anyway, we're going to go for a ride and see what it's like, and we'll report back, eh? Go. Alright, first thing you'll notice is that the picture quality is not as good. So I've got the old GoPro on the handlebars there looking back at me. Sorry for that. Obviously the quality on the other GoPro is a lot better. In relation to the face mask, yeah, going good, feels good, vision's good. Obviously a bit of wind gets in and around the sides there, nowhere near as good as a full face helmet, but still, nice cold day. Yeah, enjoying this one. Good product. I think I'm going to get a different coloured face mask as well. Either a tinted one or maybe a yellow one. I like a clear one, that way I can use it any time that I want to. Yeah guys, how's that, huh? Look at me getting creative with a selfie stick. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. As always guys, subscribe. Come back again. There'll be more. Don't miss out. Cheers for watching.